everyone, today I'm going to talk about a very useful product by CUTESAFETY, adjustable multi-purpose safety latches. You may secure your cabinets, washing machines, refrigerators, ovens, microwaves, toilet seats, and even trash cans with these child safety locks. So let's first open the box to see what's inside. So when you open the box, you'll find 6 of these locks with 6 adhesives, which makes it very reusable. The locks are flexible, you can easily stretch or bend it, and it is very easy to install and remove the product. So you simply adjust the strap length and you can shorten it as you wish, and then you peel off the stickers and apply to pre-cleaned surface. It's better if you wait for 24 hours so that the adhesive works better. And you also have to make sure that once you adjust and lock it, you have adjusted it properly, because once you lock it, it cannot be adjustable anymore. Also, it comes in 3 different colors, so you can choose from white, black and brown to suit your eye taste. And no special skills, no tools or no screws are needed. So as I said, it will leave no damage on any surface, and also very important that it is very easy to remove. You simply need to use a dental floss or a credit card or even a hair dryer to remove the product, and no damage will remain. Stay safe with CUTESAFETY products.